Alright, so we're going to be talking about circles in standard form. So we need to be able to graph a circle by identifying its center and its radius. So a circle is a set of points that are all equidistant from a fixed point called the center. And the distance between the center and that point is called the radius. And so we have the standard form equation right here, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And the center is going to come from whatever's in the parentheses. So the HK is what's going to give us the center. And what you're going to notice is that you're going to use the opposite signs of whatever is in parentheses. Now, since the equation gives us the r squared, to get the radius, you are going to have to take the square root of whatever that number is. So in our first example, the center would be positive 6, positive 2. So 6, 2. And the radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. Now we're going to graph that circle. So to graph it, you're going to plot the center at 6, 2. And I plot it with an X just so that I can differentiate between the points versus the center. So X marks the spot, so to speak. So I have my center marked, but now I'm going to count up 2 and plot a point, right 2 and plot a point, down 2 and left 2. And then I'm going to draw the best circle that I can going through those 2 points. And some of y'all's circles are going to look pretty rough, but that's okay. All right, so just try to make them as round as you can. All right, so that's one example. Another example, if I look at this equation, the center would be negative 6, negative 2. So remember, our signs are going to change. Negative 6, negative 2. The radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. So to graph my circle, I'm going to plot a point at negative 6, negative 2. X marks the spot for my center. My radius is 3, so I'm going to go up 3, plot a point, right 3, plot a point, down 3, plot a point, left 3, plot a point. And then do the best you can to draw a circle that goes through those points.